Welcome back to Happy Mommy Makeup. Today I'm doing a BoxyCharm unboxing. I've had this box for about 2 weeks now. After surgery I didn't really have much motivation or energy to record this, so I'm finally here to record it. I'm gonna get it up by the end of the month. So, and also don't mind my crazy hair because this is what it does when it's air drying, so I'll fix it a little later. Anyway, let's get into the box. Alright. This month's theme is Spellbound. And the first thing that we're going to take a look at is this right here. This is the TARTE Wink of H2O Vegan Collagen Eye Cream, and this retails for $35. Now, BoxyCharm does have an option if you are a subscriber to, I think it's called Boxy Pop-Up, where you can actually choose one of your items. And I actually did choose this item. It's not often that I will choose the items. This is probably my second, maybe third time. I really needed an eye cream, so when I saw it, I was like, yes, I'm gonna choose that. And that was before I had gotten my last box where I did get an eye cream. So this is what it looks like. Says, like an espresso shot for under your eyes, a vegan skin-loving eye cream that reduces the appearance of puffiness and dark circles for a refreshed, youthful look. The weightless water-based formula gives a lifted effect and is clinically proven to deliver 24-hour hydration. It helps firm and fight signs of aging with HydroFlex technology and create a crease-resistant face. This is what it looks like on the inside. It just has a moisturizer type smell to it. Get a little bit on my pinkies and apply it under my eyes. It's a little thick, just like a like a regular moisturizer. But it's like lightweight feeling. And obviously I'm gonna have to try it out a couple times to actually, see how well it works for me. So, but I chose it, so I'm super excited to try it out. The next thing in the box that we're gonna take a look at is this. This is the TRESLUCE, I think is how you say it, TRESLUCE or Luce. I want to say Luce. Beauty like an Artista brush set, and this retails for $27. Here's what the brushes look like. Oh my gosh, I love the color of these brushes, and the handles they're a little soft but hard. I don't know how to describe that. They're very soft to the touch, but they're very sturdy. So that's what they look like. The set includes a B100 Deluxe Blending Brush, B101 Classic Blending Brush, B102 Angled Blending Brush, B121 Rounded Pencil Brush. And with those brushes, it's gonna go perfect with the next item in the box, which is this. And this is the Ace Beauty, or BEAUTE, I don't know, Falling For You palette, and this retails for $34.99. This is what the palette looks like. Look at all these gorgeous colors. I think I'm really leaning towards doing something with candy corn, but I was really drawn to apple too. I'm gonna try to recreate this look right here that I found on Pinterest. I needed a little bit inspiration for that candy corn color, so I'm gonna try that and see how it goes, but I really wanna use that candy corn color. I'm gonna put my bangs back first. Okay, put my bangs back. By the way, if you hear a lot of background noise, it's the wind. Weather here right now is super crazy, windy and rainy. So I'm gonna first take candy corn and put it on my outer corner of my lid. I'm gonna use the B100 blending brush. Put it on my outer corner. Just gonna kind of bring it up and in. This is a gorgeous color. I don't think I've ever used a color like this before. I might have one in my collection, but I don't think I've ever used it. used one. And the brush is picking up the pigment very well. I just barely tapped it in. It's blending really well. Does anyone else have a difficult time applying eyeshadow to a certain eye? Like it's perfect on one eye, but then you struggle with the other eye? That's me. My right eye, have no problem. My left eye, for some odd reason, I always struggle. Like it doesn't apply or blend nearly as well as the right side. I'm gonna bring it in a little bit more because that look kind of brings it in more. That Pinterest inspiration. So I'm gonna bring it in a little bit more. I'm gonna use Squash and go on the inner part of my eye. And I'm gonna use the B101 Classic blending brush. I'm gonna use Chestnut with the B102 angled blending brush. I'm gonna put that on the outer corner, right on top of Candy Corn. Go light-handed, as light as I can get it. I'm gonna use that same brush and use Cranberry and put it like right next to it. But very light. Like right here. I'm gonna take that first brush, the B100, and just, I'm not gonna take any extra product up, I'm just gonna blend. Go up just a little bit more. I'm gonna go ahead and use Apple. I know the Pinterest look doesn't have any shimmers, but I'm gonna put Apple just on the little inner corner of my eye. Right there, just a little bit of sparkle on top of the Squash there. Because I really want to use it. Oh yeah, oh yeah. Yes, I love that. Okay, I'm going to go off camera and fix myself up a little bit more, and then I'll be right back for the last two things in the box. All right, now to finish up the eyes. I'm gonna take Candy Corn and go on the lower lash line, and I'm using the B121 rounded pencil brush. I'm gonna use that same brush and go in with Chestnut and just go on the outer corner. I'm gonna go in with Cider as my inner corner highlight and see how that goes. It's gold. It's gold. So I don't know. And I'm just gonna pick up one of my other brushes I've gotten in past BoxyCharms, and I'm gonna take a little bit of Cider in that inner corner. Alright, we're going to move on to the next thing in the box, and that is this. This is the Appeal Cosmetics Adhesive Liquid Liner, and this retails for $29. That's what it looks like. It says it's the newest and most innovative way to apply your faux lashes. Step aside tubes of glue. This ultrafine liner is an easy to apply and a hot way to spice up any eye look. So, going on with that, we're going into the next thing in the box as well, which is this. This is the CAMARA UNIQUE Beauty Mary Lash. I'm sorry if I said that wrong. This is what they look like. So I'm gonna apply the liner and the lashes. Alright, that is the lashes and the eyeliner and everything in the box. So I think these lashes are really gorgeous, and I think they are holding on pretty well on that liner, so that's awesome. I'm gonna add everything up in the box. 35 plus 34, 99 plus 27 plus 25 plus 29. And the total retail value of the box is $150.99. That is amazing. When I opened up the box, I was super excited for everything. I always love getting new brushes. I'm excited to try this with other lashes and just see how long it actually lasts with the lashes. Lashes are gorgeous. Palettes, I absolutely love the look that I created today. Yes, I used some inspiration from Pinterest, but it turned out so beautiful. I love it. And then, you know, I chose this and I'm excited to try it and see how it works. So I think that's it for this video. Again, sorry for this video going up so late with the surgery and my knee issues. I really haven't been motivated to record. I think I'm gonna do a video that's like get ready with me and tell you all about my knee issues, since I've kind of been vague and all. I've mentioned it in some videos, but I haven't really told you what was going on. So anyway, don't forget to hit like and subscribe. Until next time, bye.